In this video I will show you exactly how much money YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. But that's not all, because I made more money because I sold an online course, and I will share also how much I made with this online course, selling this online course. This is mind-blowing. And that's not all. I have something very motivational, because I just started uploading YouTube videos 5 days ago, and I can see, I want to show you something that the growth will continue probably, and why this is so. So let me share my screen with you. So this is YouTube Studio. This is the place where everyone who uploads YouTube videos does this. Yeah, here I would click create, I click upload videos. This is the place where YouTube creators uploading YouTube videos. But not only this, you can see here are tons of information and numbers that YouTube provides its creators to make better videos, to grow the channel. And I especially can here on the left side click on analytics, and here are all these numbers, and you already can see I made $6.19, very important, in the last 28 days. Yeah, I can adjust the time here, that's also very important. So maybe you can remember when I started my challenge that I want to reach $1 million by the end of the year. That was here on May 15th. I uploaded this video, my plan to make $1 million on YouTube. And you can see here all these numbers, these 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. These are the videos I uploaded. So you can see here on these days I uploaded nothing. On this day I just uploaded one video, just to say that there will be some changes on the channel. Yeah, and you can see that this video got more views than all these videos. That's for the simple reason that I shared this video. Yeah, I shared this video on a lot of other places, and for these videos I didn't share them at all. Yeah, and this one was just a random, very short video I just recorded. Yeah, probably that was the starting point why I thought, okay, I should upload more on this channel. Yeah, that was nothing. Yeah, okay, but so when I recorded this video here on the last 28 days, I made $3.41, and now it's not double the money yet, but it's getting there. So we are more than $6 now, and you can see my last day here. When I click on this, I just can see the revenue is the top earning day. I made 89 cents 2 days ago, and the numbers for yesterday are not in yet. Yeah, there's a small delay, but have a look at this. I made 8 cents, 9 cents, 6, 9, 5, 5, 6, 11. Yeah, and now I make 10 times as much. Yeah, that's, so think about it. 89 cents sounds like nothing, but I can't explain how exciting this is for me, just to make 10 times as much as I made before. So let's think about it. And because you can see there's growth since I'm uploading YouTube videos. I have no idea if this growth will continue or not. We will know next week on my next update, when I share these numbers again with you. But for now, this is very exciting. So this is just the money YouTube paid me. Yeah, so in the last 5 days, about 7 days, about $3. Yeah, let's check the last 7 days. $3.43 in just 6 days, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is just the money YouTube paid me. Now have a look at my online shop. So this is my website, moons-mooniverse.com. This is the backend. I make the site with WordPress, and I'm using WooCommerce. Here on the left side you can see WooCommerce as a shop plugin. WooCommerce is a free shop plugin. WordPress also is free. You just need your server to sell products. Yeah, to have an own online store. And let me refresh this page. So I'm here in my analytics, so that you can see these are the actual numbers. Total sales, I make $21.03. Yeah, on net sales $20. I sell my online course. Let's have a look at the revenue. It's just a little more data. So I started my online course in the first week for, where is it? I could see it before, the name of my online course. Maybe still in the analytics. Aha, Moon's 21-day focus challenge. So I recorded this 21 focus challenge. I sold it, where I still sell it in my first week for $10. It's just for the first week. I thought, okay, I need to get the ball rolling. I need to get started. And I sold it for $10 and I made 2 sales. So, and that's $20. Think about it. Just selling this online course, of course I had to produce more videos and I had to set up this this page here and so on, but it's really not that hard to do all that. And this made, like, how much more is that? Like, I made $20 with online courses and like $3 from YouTube. So overall I made like $23, yeah. But the thing about it, how much more these online courses, to be honest, I didn't expect like anyone buying this course, but it's a very cheap price, the $10. Yeah, so it's a great sign. I'm very proud about it, and I give my best to make my 2 customers very, very happy. I recorded a bonus video for my very first customer, and a piano song, and who knows, I want my customers to be happy, and I have this money back guarantee, so if they're not happy, they can get a full refund for this. So I have to make sure that this is a great product and a great course to train your focus, because these are really great exercises I'm selling there. Yeah, it's just my first week, the $10. Why do I say this? Because my goal for this month, so today we have May 21st, as you can see in the top left corner, May 21st. I started, I think, on May 15th, and my goal was to make $100 by the end of May. So I have like 9 days left or 10 days left to make $100, and I'm already at $23. So if you ask me, I'm on track on my plan to make $1 million per year. So that's great. Also, I will raise the price like when I think on Monday to $27. So right now the course is $10. I will raise it to $27 because I think that's a very fair price for this course. And the $10 are just for the introduction for the first week. So I think I just have to sell like 2 courses more than for the new price, or maybe 3, and I'm already at the $100 per month. And if this growth he continues, I saw numbers from other YouTubers that were pretty exponential. Like suddenly they didn't make like 89 cents per day, but $8.09 or $80.90. I have no idea how long this will take. Yeah, but I will give my best. I'm uploading a lot of videos. So right now I'm hearing from a lot of people, hey, these are 2 random videos. Yeah, but this is how I wanted to start. Yeah, I just want to make everything I have fun doing, no matter if it's too random or not. Yeah, we will see if this is a good idea or not. Right now I don't want to change anything there, and I want to show you one thing that's very, very promising for me. So, impressions and traffic sources. So this is now very in-depth. So these are views. I have to get to impressions. So an impression is not a view. An impression is, let me show you what an impression is. So when I go to youtube.com, YouTube shows me some videos, these videos, and each video now gets 1 impression. Any one of these guys can see now in their analytics that they got 1 impression more. And this one is the YouTube homepage. So this is the one when we go to browse features. So browse features is not that someone else shared my video, or that someone needs to, that I have to tell people, hey, go to YouTube and watch my video. Browse features is like free advertising from YouTube to its creators. So I'm already on YouTube, and now YouTube promotes this guy, yeah, this channel as well. Yeah, so these channels here, they all got promoted from YouTube. So this is for free. And when I go to browse features, you can see in the last 7 days I got 3,500 impressions for free. This is just because I was uploading videos and YouTube showed these videos to random people. They help even small creators like me getting like views, where these impressions only generated, like here is the columns with views, 499 views. Hey, but it's still 499 views, just YouTube giving me these views. Browse features, that's incredible. So the average video duration is still not that long, just only people are watching these videos from browse features 1 minute and 32 minutes. I will try to improve this. But overall, like, I got these impressions. That's like, I can't tell you how excited I am about this. That YouTube gives me 3,000 free impressions, and this is just browse features. So YouTube search is something else. So when I go to YouTube and I type how much money does YouTube give for 1,000 views? Yeah, or let's try something else. Music production tips. So all these here, aha, wow, that's it. Oh my gosh, like here, 8 views 20 hours ago. That's my latest video I uploaded. And as you can see, I write music production tips and my video, so it just has 8 views. I think it has more views now, but my video shows up here when people search for it. And this is, I can see this here in YouTube search. So I got like 1,800 impressions just from this YouTube search. Wow, this is also like free advertising from YouTube. And the last one, suggested videos. This is the one when I click this video, and you can see here on the right side on mobile below this video, I got all these further suggestions. Yeah, and these videos are part of the suggested videos, and I got 1,300 impressions from this. Yeah, so browse features, YouTube search, this is all impressions and views YouTube gives me for free, just because I'm uploading random YouTube videos. My gosh, wow. So for example here, external is when someone outside of YouTube shares this, yeah. But just the impressions. And channel pages was when someone already discovered my channel and then browsed through my channel. So this is even more impressions. So, but I think this is because I already found a way that people discover my channel. So browse features, YouTube search, and suggested videos. This is like YouTube helps me growing this channel. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful about this, and so many impressions. Well, I now have to make sure that my videos are great, that I provide a lot of value, and this is what I hope with this video, that you that you learned something in some way, that you got some value out of it. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see more about all this. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.